To apply basic conditional formatting, with your mouse, first select the data you want to include in the formatting rules. With the data selected, click Format. Click Conditional Formatting. In the Conditional Format Rules dialog box, click the arrow under Format Rules. You can make conditional format rules about text, values, dates, or even a custom formula. In this example, click less than. Type a value or formula. In this example, type 35. Scroll down, and click for a fill color. Click to select a color. Click Done. You can see that any cell in the selected data, with a value that matched our rule, became that color. Click Add another rule. This time, under Format Rules, click Is Between. Type a new value or formula rule. Here, type 36 for the first value, and type 70 for the second value. Scroll down, and click Done. Now any cells whose values match that rule are the color you assigned to that rule. To finish this example, click Add another rule. This time, under Format Rules, click Greater Than. Type 71 as the value or formula. Click Fill Color. Click to choose a different color. Click Done. Scroll up, and click Close. That's it, you're done. You've applied a basic conditional formatting rule. Well, actually, you applied 3 basic conditional formatting rules. Good job.